Branding and Marketing 101. If you're going to put out a new gadget company, please make sure we can all pronounce your name. We're not all that good at Chinese and the like. At the very least, say it a bunch of times in your social media videos. Anyway, over the last few months, I've been using this tripod from relative newbie Aochuan or Aochuan. Yeah, as I said, my Chinese, not good at all, sorry. As it stands, their gimbals are well thought of, and today's gadget offers something a bit different that I think might just make it worth getting to know that awkward brand name. Let's take a look at this Master 20 wireless electric tripod to find out what on earth I'm going on about. At the top, we've got a standard screw mount, which I actually use a K&F ball head. We've got a spirit level here. We've got these nice padded sections, which just make life a little easier. In fact, when I first got my hands on this, I thought this is light and flimsy. This is never going to last, but it is lasting so far. It actually only weighs 1.3 kilograms and it's made of aluminium. Maximum weight capacity 5 kilos and a maximum height of 156 centimeters. On the side is the remote control. Now this section can be moved up and down, and I imagine clipped off if you really wanted to. The remote control lets you go up and down, so this whole column will move up and down. You can also snap and record if your device allows that. I'm using my Fujifilm camera, so these buttons are kind of redundant to me. Now you can take this off and use it, I think it's 10 meters away, so pretty handy, pretty cool. There we go. The battery for this is rated for 200 up and down moves, as they say. You've got an on-off button here, which also doubles as an up and down function button. On the side is a USB-C port, and on the bottom, a quarter thread for a counterbalance hook and the like. Now, oftentimes, tripods with these sort of designs aren't that great when it comes to leveling yourself out, unless they're real sort of top end. While we're here, this thing allows you to collapse it. So let's just collapse it and I'll show you something that I really like about this that combats the little problem that you might get with some tripods with this kind of design. You get these nice rubber adjustable feet. Very, very handy. Slightly awkward to show you at this angle, but you get the idea. Now you can look at it two ways. This thing is designed to be adjustable. You know, maybe at an awkward place, you use the remote control, get it into the position, and then you just crack on with what you need to do. Or you can see it, as I've been doing, as a bit of a B-roll tool. Now you can't go side to side. I think you need a much lighter camera, bizarrely, based on what I've seen in one or two other videos where they've managed to get some kind of B-roll going that's not particularly jittery. For me, shooting with this thing, moving up, so pretty simple, but evidently very loud, and you can see it has some travel. Now that is some travel. Pretty cool, no? But the volume might be an issue for you. Now, as we bring that back down and completely out of shot, we're going to say, oh, one more thing that I should mention, which I think I better bring it back into shot. There is actually more or less a rule here. Now, it might not pick up so well, but you've got 5 centimeters, 10 centimeters, 15, 20, 25 on the column, so you can use that for pretty accurate movements or measurements. Pretty cool, nice little touch. Considering the price, there's a few nice little features, but I'm going to have more of a play with it, then I'll put together my thoughts afterwards. I've had it for a couple of months now, I think, and so far so good. I haven't abused it too bad. I mean, it doesn't come with a bag or anything, but I'm fairly careful with my gear, to be honest. But you know, I'm not going to molly coddle it, if that's even the right phrase. I'm happy with it. It's around £85 on Amazon UK now. Yeah, why not? It's got all the little bits and pieces you need with the spirit level, the hooks, the motor seems to be working well, the battery life of the motor is, to all intents and purposes, very good. It's up to date with the USB-C, as you can imagine. I like the snap leg locks business. I can't talk today. You know what I mean. If you've used this for any period of time, which I guess will be a while after this video is out, let us know. If it goes completely wrong, I'll let you know in the comments too, as long as you let us know how you get on with this thing. So Aochuan, yeah, well done. I do like it, even if it's quite noisy. Not too bad at all. Now let me look at the screen to see what's going on. Yeah. Anyway, let's get out of this. I can't get out of the shot now, that's the thing. I'm using the Samyang 12mm. It's a bit too wide. Where are you going? Anyway, too much waffle. Buy it. Let us know how you get on. Take it easy.